Hi dear friends, here I am to enlighten you about this wonder drink. I have named it a detox drink as this concoction detoxifies your body and leaves you fresh to start your day full of high spirits and enthusiasm. Friends, I am not a regular food blogger, so pardon me for this juvenile video of mine. It's just that I wanted to share this recipe with you so that it benefits all of you during these testing times. I have been having this drink for the past 2 years and my immunity levels have increased by leaps and bounds. I definitely don't make any tall promises to you to protect you against the current virus, but I can definitely assure you that this drink will leave you a healthier and a fitter person. Now let's quickly go into the recipe. Here, to make this concoction, you will need 8 ingredients. These are generally readily available at your homes, and also if they are not in your homes, you can just purchase them. They are very simple ingredients which you even get in the market. Here I have taken green tea leaves, half a teaspoon, cinnamon powder finely ground, 1 teaspoon, 1 inch of ginger, 1 inch of turmeric. The turmeric should be the fresh rhizome, not the dried one. These days, in corona times, they are easily available with the vegetable vendor, or you can even place an order and order it online. Cumin and pepper powder. This also you need to take 1 teaspoon of it. Rock salt, less than half a teaspoon. Finally, lemon, 1 medium sized, and honey. This quantity is fine to make 2 to 3 glasses of the drink. Now for the benefits of the ingredients. Green tea helps in burning fat, improves the brain function, and helps to prevent type 2 diabetes and is good for our heart. Cinnamon powder helps in reducing blood sugar levels and also has anti-inflammatory properties. Friends, the Ceylon cinnamon or the cinnamon from Sri Lanka is called the true cinnamon. So try to use this cinnamon powder because this is also very easily available in the market. The curcumin in the turmeric has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties which help heal internal and external wounds. It is also an antioxidant. Cumin, pepper, ginger, and rock salt aid in digestion and keeps your digestive system healthy. Moreover, the piperine in the pepper helps the easy absorption of the curcumin in turmeric, which many of us may not be aware of. So, to gain full benefits of turmeric, always consume it with pepper. Lemon is enriched with vitamin C and is an immunity booster in itself. And honey is good to soothe a sore throat, heals wounds, and a good source of antioxidants. Now, let me tell you how to make this drink. Take 3 glasses of water, approximately 600 ml. Add the green tea leaves, cinnamon powder, the pepper and cumin powder, the rock salt, and simmer. Now I am taking a mortar and a pestle and I am grinding the turmeric very finely. I am crushing it really well. Both the ginger and the turmeric has to be crushed really well. Now you can see that I am crushing the ginger and the turmeric really well. So you can use a mortar and pestle that is available at home and crush the ginger and turmeric. Now you can see how finely I have crushed the turmeric and the ginger. So now I am adding this to the boiling water and I am keeping the gas on full flame. Now mix the ingredients nicely and bring it to a boil. Now you can see it has started boiling. It needs to boil at least for 15 to 20 minutes. After it starts boiling, you can simmer it again and keep it like this for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I am going to strain it. You can use these ingredients once more. You can even add some more water and boil it and reuse it again. But do it within half an hour. Now, after this is done, you can see I have the lemon juice. I've taken out the lemon juice and I'm adding the lemon juice to this mixture. Now I've mixed it and now I'll be adding 3 teaspoons of honey, and mix it well. And it is very important, friends, that you need to have this drink. I should say it should be hot rather than lukewarm. So this, you get 3 glasses of this drink out of what I have prepared. Early in the morning, after you wake up, you can have 1 liter of water, and then after half an hour, before having your breakfast, you can have this detox drink and boost your immunity levels. I hope this video was really beneficial to you all, friends. Thank you.